Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day. My name is Janet Manjares, 36 years old. I married. I have 4 kids, 18, 15, 14, and 4 years old.
What's your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, sir. But here in the Philippines, I have 4 years experience.
Finish contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
Taking care of babies,
What the ages?
4 months.
Did you taking care of the child?
I taking care.
Did you taking care of the child?
Yes, sir.
What the ages?
3 years old.
Such as?
Such as cleaning house, ironing clothes, washing clothes, car washing.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
Yes.
How?
To give him the food.
Do you feeding them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell us some of your skills. Please tell us some of your skills.
I can cook food.
Can you cook Filipino food?
Yes, sir.
You're a high school graduate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I'll be honest, hardworking, and loyal.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I promise to finish my contract, my 2 years contract.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you so much.